Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of those annoying ads cluttering up your Outlook or Hotmail inbox, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'll show you how to completely get rid of and remove ads in Outlook webmail, step by step, with some hidden tricks most people don't even know about. By the end, you'll have a clean, ad-free email experience that feels faster, smoother, and distraction-free. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser and go to the Outlook or Hotmail login page. You can also access it through the Microsoft 365 website. Click Sign In and enter your email and password to log into your account. Once you're inside your Outlook inbox, you'll probably notice banner ads or side panel ads taking up valuable space. Now, to begin cleaning this up, click the settings icon, the little gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a sidebar filled with customization options. Scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Inside Settings, go to General Arrow Privacy and Data. Here, make sure your personalized ads and marketing preferences are turned off. This will significantly reduce targeted ads from appearing across Microsoft services, including Outlook. Next, one smart workaround is to use the official Outlook desktop client or mobile app instead of the web version. Why? Because the Outlook app and desktop version don't display web ads at all. Simply go to the Get the Outlook app section or download the Outlook desktop application from Microsoft's site. Once you sign in there, your emails will sync automatically, but without the distractions or ad banners. And if you prefer checking emails through another platform, you can also connect your Outlook account to a third-party email client like Thunderbird or Apple Mail. These apps download your emails directly from Microsoft servers, completely bypassing the ad-filled web interface. Finally, if you want an advanced clean look, use a browser extension or ad blocker like uBlock Origin or AdGuard. Just enable it while browsing Outlook, and it'll hide the remaining sidebar ads instantly, giving you a minimalist, ad-free workspace. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove ads from Outlook and Hotmail for good. No more clutter, no more distractions. This quick setup not only makes your inbox look cleaner, but also helps you stay focused and productive every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more tech hacks and productivity tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ad-free Outlook experience.